there, I'm Noreen Smith and I'm an Independent Creative Memories Advisor in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Thanks very much for joining me today as I teach you how to make some fun little mini Easter baskets and Easter cards that you can send to friends and family while we're in this period of social distancing, all from the Easter Blessings theme pack. The Easter Blessings theme pack is great because it has 4 sheets of double-sided pattern paper, a sheet of coordinating raspberry cardstock, and 2 sticker sheets. So it has everything you need to make some fun Easter crafts as well as Easter layouts. I'm going to be using these 2 pieces of paper. This fun pink Easter basket pattern with the pretty little flowers and this great cut apart sheet. I'm going to be using these pieces here for some cards, and I'm going to be cutting apart these Easter eggs and using them to decorate my little Easter basket. And I'm going to be using the raspberry cardstock to actually create my little Easter baskets. So let's get to it. I'm the type of mom that always enjoys creating little favor boxes, little packages for various holidays and sending them to the kids' school. Obviously, the kids aren't in school right now, and we're probably not even going to be having anybody over for Easter. It will just be our own family for Easter. But there's no reason that we can't make the Easter dinner table fun and sweet, so to speak. So I'm creating these little mini Easter baskets, and they're going to have some little after dinner treats in it, and I'm just going to make 4 for my own family. For each Easter basket, you're going to need 1 square measuring 6 inches by 6 inches. I was able to cut 4 squares from the 1 piece of raspberry cardstock in the theme pack. You're also going to need 2 border strips. I punched these from the pink paper in the Easter Blessings kit using the spring leaf chain border maker cartridge and the original border maker system. To make the little baskets, we're going to need to first score our cardstock. So I'm going to put my scoring blade into my 12-inch trimmer, and I'm going to score all the way around at 2 inches. I'm just going to make sure I fold along each of the score lines, and this will form the base and the sides of my basket. Now that it's all folded, I'm going to take my all-purpose scissors and I'm going to create 4 cuts. I'm going to cut along the score line from the bottom up to the next fold on both of these score lines, and then turn it around and cut again on this side from the bottom up to the score line. We're going to turn the whole thing over and we're going to add our border strips as decoration. First of all, you're going to take 1 border strip and trim it to 6 inches wide. And now we're going to use our repositionable adhesive to just decorate across the solid flaps. So we cut this way, now we flipped it over, and we're going to add this along the solid flaps. Want to fold it and make sure that it's adhered well, that it will bend with everything else. And now it's time to adhere our handle. So we're going to take the second border strip and trim it to about 8 inches long. I like to use the tape runner adhesive to adhere the handle. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold up this middle flap and adhere just a small piece of the handle to the inside, the middle flap. Okay, so that's how it looks right now. Then we're going to add tape runner adhesive kind of on a diagonal in the corners of each of these flaps. And now all we do is we fold the flaps over until the point reaches the middle of the handle. And then the second flap gets folded over to meet that point as well. Then we'll just repeat it on the other side. You can see that we have this cute little basket with the angled sides. And again, it's going to be just perfect for a few little treats. To decorate it, I'm going to fussy cut one of these little eggs out and then also add one of the egg stickers. You could choose any of the stickers here, or if you have maybe a floral punch, that would be a really pretty decoration too. To make the cards is super easy. All you'll need is one of the blank cards from Creative Memories Blank Card Kit, or you can take a 5.5 by 8.5 inch piece of white cardstock, score it down the middle, and fold it in half. You'll also need a 6-inch piece of the simple leaf chain border strip. We're going to have a little bit of an overage, but we can take care of that with scissors. And one of the 3-inch by 3-inch square decorative pieces from the cut apart sheet. All we're going to do is add the repositionable adhesive to the border and place it on the card. Take your scissors, flip the card over, and then just trim away that little bit of extra. I'll use regular tape runner adhesive to just attach the 3-inch square just above the halfway mark and just overlapping onto the border strip. And then all I need to do is to pull off one of my stickers and add that with some foam squares. So even though we're going to be at home this Easter, it's really easy to create some of these simple and elegant Easter cards to send to friends and family that we can't be with, and some cute little mini Easter baskets to make for those that we can be with. I hope you give these a try. Thanks very much for joining me. Happy Easter.